What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So for today's video, I just wanted to show y'all some of my favorite go-to facial products that I recently started using. They're affordable. You can find most of these products probably at a store near you. If you have a TJ Maxx, even if it's a Marshalls or a Ross, you may be able to find these products. These products I recently picked up from TJ Maxx. So I wanted to get some new facial products. So I went to TJ Maxx and picked up this Asano vitamin C gel facial cleanser. It brightens and energizes. It removes excess dirt and oils. Brightens complexion. It's soap free. It's for all skin types. You see it has none of those harsh chemicals. Made in New Zealand. And yeah, I really have been loving this. It's actually brightened my skin. The vitamin C that's in it is really helping, and I noticed a change in maybe a week of using this. I like that it's a pump. So yeah, this has been really great. I went back, I still have a lot in here, but I went back to TJ Maxx trying to find it because they have some other products that go with this as well, and I couldn't find anything. So I'm hoping that the next time I go, I can find this particular product and their other products as well, because I really like using this. So next, I found this at TJ Maxx as well. It's the Elizabeth Arden Normal to Dry Hydro Splash Alcohol-Free Toner. Elizabeth Arden, this was my first time using this brand. So after I do my cleanser, I like to use my toner. And so I use this, and this has been working really great. It gets all like the dirt and oils and, you know, whatever gook I have on my face after even cleansing it. This helps get it off, and I really like this. I do have another one. If you guys can't find the Elizabeth Arden toner, you have a Dollar Tree. You can go to Dollar Tree and pick you up the Bolero Beauty Products Soothing Facial Toner. This one is rose water and aloe. I've used their watermelon. This one I haven't opened yet, but I've used toner from them. This is just my like second or third bottle. So this one's rose water and aloe, and this is a good toner too. And then if you, is this open? Yeah. You guys have a Dollar General or Family Dollar or even Walmart. You can find this at Walmart. It's the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. It's 100% natural distilled witch hazel, and this works really good. This gets all the crap off of your face, removes and balances oil, soothes and refresh, and helps depuff. Yeah, so this is a good one. This one was about $3 to $4. This is just $1. This one was, I did a video on my TikTok with the price on it. I want to say $5. I got it on clearance because the top was broke. So I think it's regular $7.99. This was, I think, $5.99. So next couple serums I like to use. So this one's also from TJ Maxx. It's Merrell Roberts Collagen Dark Spot Face Serum. It's also anti-aging. So it says apply to clean, dry skin morning and evening, and that's exactly what I was doing. And I could tell the difference from using this twice a day, that some of my dark spots on my face were clearing up, and this was helping along with this clear my skin up. It was just looking so good. So after I do my facials in the morning, I like to put on this Morning Glow. You can use this even over moisturizer. If you moisturize your face first, you can put this on top. What I usually do is put this on first and then put my moisturizer on top if needed, because the oil itself is basically enough to moisturize your skin with. It's vitamin C and squalane. I'm not sure how you say it, but this is awesome. They have a bunch of different kinds of these at TJ Maxx. This one is Valjean Labs, and this was $4.99. The vitamin C brightens and evens the skin tone, and the squalene protects skin and locks in the moistures. And you just apply a few drops and rub it on your skin and just leave it. Now this, my mom got for me. She ordered this online. I forgot from where. I'm gonna have to ask her. But it's called Artistry Signature Select. It's a polishing mask. And you can see that there's different language directions on the back. But this stuff is awesome. I use this maybe only once a week. I think it says to use only once or twice a week. I'm gonna open it. So that's what this one looks like. It's like a facial scrub. So I mean, really, you can use any facial scrub, but after I use this polishing facial scrub mask, my skin looks really, really smooth. The stuff is great, but it was like $40. So you guys can find you know, something less expensive to put in its place. You just need like a scrub or exfoliant, and this really helps. So I do this once a week. And then I use this jelly eye cream in Fresh Avocado by Merrell from Dollar Tree. So I put this under my eyes as well, morning and night. So this one I may use about 2 to 3 times a week. I put it on before getting in the shower. It's from Bath and Body Works. It's the water refreshing face and body mask. It has natural essential oils, bergamot, lemongrass, and juniper in it. And I can't remember, this one was $16.50. So this one is made to use on your face and body. You could put it on and sleep with it on your face overnight, or you can put it on your face and your body, get in the shower and rinse it off. So usually what I do is put it on before my shower, let it stay on about 10-15 minutes, get in the shower and rinse it off. And I do use it as a nightly facial mask sometimes as well. I haven't did it as a body mask yet, just face. So yeah, this is nice. It's very lightweight. And the new thing that I put in my routine was the Ellen Tracy that I picked up at City Trends. If you guys remember watching that video, I got the Ellen Tracy Brightening Vitamin C Moisturizing Aging Serum, and this has also been working really good. You could use it as a daily moisturizer or an overnight sleep mask also. And then for my moisturizer, I have been using the new Olay Luminous Whip that I recently picked up on clearance at CVS. I shared this with you guys and I am absolutely loving it. And what I like to apply my facials on with is, this is the one that I got from Dollar Tree. It's just a soft facial massager. I like to use this one with the serums, to rub the serums into my face. And this one I use for my cleansers and exfoliants. And this side I use when I'm putting on my eye cream. I put it on the cool setting or warm, and I just rub it under my eyes while I have the eye cream on my face. This is amazing. I got it on Amazon. And I also shared a video of this too. I also forgot to include that I also like to use this scrub brush that I also found at Dollar Tree. They have them in different colors. This is a nice one. It's nice and firm, not too firm, but it does give you a really nice scrub. Oh my gosh, that's the only thing I don't like, is this thing does not stay on that good, and it's hard for me to put it on with one hand, but y'all get the gist. It goes right on here and you turn it on. It has a nice amount of power to it. And I also like to use this with my cleanser or an exfoliant as well. And for $1, it's a really good price. Anyone can go pick up facial products and cleansers and, you know, have a facial self-care system going. You don't have to get a bunch of expensive stuff. The main stuff that I was using up until I changed to this, a lot of it was the Bolero beauty products from Dollar Tree, and my face was doing just fine with those products as well. So it just depends on how your skin reacts to certain products. Certain products I cannot use and some I can. So yeah, hopefully you guys can go pick up some of these and try them out and let me know what you think. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some of my new favorite facial products that I have been using lately. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you turn on notifications so you guys will know when my next NailTober video is up. Bye y'all.